Hello students, today the topic is idioms. It is raining cats and dogs. What is the meaning of cats and dogs? The meaning is heavy rain, ganamazhai. So it is raining cats and dogs means ganamazhai பெய்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறது, ganamazhai. Next one, I broke off with my friend. I broke off with my friend. What is the meaning of broke off? அதாவது துண்டித்து விட்டேன், நட்பை துண்டித்து விட்டேன். Next one, the police needed backup. The police needed backup. What is the meaning of backup? Backup means support, உதவி, help. Next one, they want to dispose of the house. They want to dispose of the house. What is the meaning of dispose of? To sell, விற்றுவிட. அவர்களுக்கு வீட்டை விற்றுவிட தேவையா இருக்கிறது. Next one, she hit upon an idea. She hit upon an idea. Hit upon means what? Found. அவளுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா தெரிந்தது, அதாவது அவள் ஒரு ஐடியா கண்டுபிடித்தாள். Now try to make sentences of your own using the given idioms. The first one, break into. Break into. What is the meaning of break into? Enter by force. Enter by force means what? அத்துமீறி உள்ளே நுழைவது. Next one, call up. Call up means contact, தொடர்பு கொள்வது. Next one, in black and white. That means in writing. What is the meaning of that? எழுத்து வடிவத்தில், எழுத்து மூலம். Next one, hang around. The meaning is loiter around. Loiter around. What is the meaning of loiter? இங்கும் அங்கும் திரிவது, ஒரு நோக்கம் இல்லாமல் இங்கும் அங்கும் திரிவது. The last one, bring to light. The meaning is disclose. Disclose, ரகசியத்தை வெளிப்படுத்துவது, அதாவது சீக்ரெட்டை சொல்லுவது. Now find some idioms and frame sentences of your own. This is the task that you have to do. Okay students, I hope you learned a new concept today. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day.